What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Zay 2.0 channel, the Zay Volume 2 channel, man. And this channel right here focus solely on hair. So if you on this channel, you trying to do something with your hair. Rather that's you trying to get some curls, you trying to get some waves, you trying to get something, you're trying to do something with your hair. And look, I got 4C hair. I wanted to show y'all this. I put a beanie on and everything. I want to show y'all this at its most natural state. 4C. And I'm finna quickly show y'all how I turn this short 4C hair into curls. And I'm finna do it in less than 2 minutes. Let's go. Wet your hair. You need to wet your hair first. That's the first things first. Let me do that. Alright, so as you can see, my hair is wet. You want to use hot water to open up your hair follicles. So, you wet your hair. Next thing you want to do, get your shampoo. Your conditioner. Boom, I'm using this conditioner. But you can use any conditioner you want to. I honestly feel like, because I just started trying this, but it still works. Before, damn, I dropped all that. Before, boom, I was using this. How to turn this joint around? Okay. Before, I was using this. But now I'm using that other joint I just showed y'all. So you want to condition your hair. That's step 2. Next part, I do not hear people talking about too often. You want to comb out your hair, comb it out, pick it out, do whatever you need to do to detangle your hair. You need to detangle your hair. That's the only way that this is gonna work. Now, I've seen people do it without detangling their hair, but for the best results, make sure you detangle your hair. Rather you're picking it out or combing it out. You want to detangle every piece of your hair. It is pivotal. Alright, so next I just added the shampoo. For the shampoo, I just copped the Mielle, baby. Get the Mielle shampoo. The Mielle been working good for me. Yeah, I put a little bit on my beard too, nigga, cause I'm trying to grow my beard out. But yeah, get the Mielles. Really try the Mielles and see if the Mielles work for you. I'm gonna give in-depth details about everything that I'm explaining to y'all on this video. But definitely try the Mielles out. If you was trying to get curls and it never worked for you before, get the Mielles, I'm telling you. Also, while you're taking a shower, please make sure you wash your actual self. Not just your hair. I know we want to get the curls popping, all this, all that. Make sure you watch your actual self too. So you don't be out here stanking, man. Because there's enough stanky people in the world. And we just don't want you to be one of them stanky people too. You feel me? Okay. So we just finished with the whole shower portion. I didn't put my conditioner and I didn't put my shampoo in my hair and I didn't pick it out, detangling the hair. Another important thing about this curl journey is you need to know your hair porosity. I have low hair porosity. What does low hair porosity mean, Zay? Low hair porosity means these little things that you see right here. You see how the water is just sitting on top of my head. It's not fully absorbing. And you see these little water beads. This is what they described as. That means you have low hair porosity, which means it's harder for your hair to absorb moisture. Usually us with 4C hair typically have low hair porosity unless you've then altered your hair in a way that makes you have high hair porosity, which is, you know, whatever. I'll get into depth about the porosities in future videos, but I have low hair porosity, which means it's harder for my hair to absorb moisture, so I have to do more steps to make sure my hair absorbs moisture well to get the curls, because curls is moisture. You have to have moisture in your hair for the curls to pop like how you want them to pop. Okay, so that's where this comes into play. Boom, your deep conditioner. Deep conditioner is very important for us with low hair porosity. We need to deep condition our hair so we can get the best results when it comes to these curls. Make sure you deep condition your hair if you have low hair porosity. I'm finna get into the deep conditioning segment and I'm gonna get back to you. We're about to get into the deep conditioning portion of the video, man. This portion is you need to deep condition. This is very important for us with 4C hair. Normally, I got the Mielles, but I wanted to try something different. This is my first time ever trying this deep conditioner, but I feel like it's still gonna work the same. Don't be afraid to try new stuff. I'm trying this is new. I haven't been using this. So, with the deep conditioner, you wanna wet your hair a little bit. And you wanna start Getting this deep conditioner in your hand. Hold on, it might got the, you feel me on it. Yeah, see? Hey. Throw that away. This is very important for us. This is what's gonna take the curls to the next level. All of us that look like us with the 4C, you have a curl pattern. When you start using the deep conditioner, it heightens your curl pattern and takes it to the next level. And that's when you go from your hair looking like 4C to probably a 4B or a 4A, depending how consistent you stay. But you need to deep condition your hair, man. It's super important. You wanna rub that deep conditioner in, you wanna get it through the roots and everything of it. Hold on, get some more, cause that won't enough. That won't nowhere near enough. I hate that this one came in this little bottle. The last one come in, you know, them jars normally, but it's all good. But this was a little cheaper. I be getting them Yale's deep conditioner. I want to try new things. I don't want to be stuck on and dedicated to no product or none of that. This is gonna add that moisture that you need. You might not need to overdo it like me, but I just like to have all the extra moisture, man. I do. Then, fellas, I know you might not like this part because I didn't like it, but in order to get the results that I needed to get, got to put this shower cap on after you deep condition, just so we can trap the moisture. You want to do that for about 15 to 30 minutes, man. Now, some people say blow dry. You can blow dry it too, because we want to trap the moisture in the hair. We want the hair follicles to take the moisture. So you can blow dry it so it'll trap the moisture, or you can just let it rock like this. I've been letting it rock like this because I wasn't finna go buy the blow dryer that I sit up under, and I honestly not finna sit and blow dry the hair for 15-20 minutes. I'm just not gonna do that. So me personally, I just let it rock. I let it sit up under here about 15-20 minutes. It's trapping the moisture still, and then you want to rinse it out. All right, y'all, we here. This is the grand finale. This is the part where we find out if I'm lying or not, or if I know a little something. Look at this hair, y'all. I just washed out the deep conditioner. Not a curl in sight. Y'all see it? Watch this, bro. Alright, so I just washed out the deep conditioner. I want to wet it a little bit because, like I said, moisture is key. So moisture, you want to keep it nice and moist, man. Moisture is key. You want to get your curl cream. This is the curl cream I've been using. Shout out to Curl Days. You want to get your curl cream, and you want to start working it in, man. You want to get your nice good amount. Don't be shy. Get your curl cream, rub it in. You want to start going through the hair. You don't want to press hard, but none of that. You just want to circle it around through the hair. Got to make sure you get it out the same way we was getting that deep conditioner in there. You want to get this curl cream in there just as good, because this is what's going to give you that pop. This is what's going, all that hard work you just put in for the past 5-10 minutes, however long you was doing it. This curl cream is what's going to show all your results, man. Go through it until you get it to your desired look. Now, I ain't gonna lie. This probably like, y'all gonna see as it dry up. Like right now it's still, I don't know, it's not picking it up too good on this camera. The camera ain't doing it no justice. But I guess that's because it's short. But I'm gonna show y'all like a bit. I'm gonna record it on my phone too. But like, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all, it's not, like I said, it ain't picking up too good on this camera. But when y'all see this video on my phone, bro, so the white, like if you done over cake yours down and you got the white flakes in your hair, that's alright. Cause it's gonna dry up and it's gonna absorb into the hair. So, but like, just don't overcake because you don't want to have just a bunch of excess product build up in your hair, bro. So the same way that you did your circular pattern, you want to keep the same circle pattern going when you adding your gel, bro.